going on, guys? Your boy S4 James, and today I'm back with another video. But today's video is on the integrated engineering dongle and teaching you how to install your tune if you have the wireless dongle, so you can do it from your phone, such as this right here. Do it from your phone, and I'm just going to teach you guys how to upload on it. Some guys have had questions on how to go about it, and I know some of the videos haven't been too helpful, so hopefully this will help you guys out. But let's get into it. All right, so first things first, let's set the camera up real quick. Let's open this bad boy up and let's pull it on out and actually show you the content in here. It's the dongle right here. Here's the dongle. This is the wire if you have to ever updated the firmware on there on your laptop or computer, however you want to do it. But this little thing right here. So let's plug this in. I'll show you guys where to plug it in at. Ooh. Oh no. All right. Because I got to put my seat back. Put my seat back a little bit. But this dongle will go right up here. I don't know if you guys can really see it too much, but down here it's purple, little pink purple thing there. And then once it's in there, it's the OBD port. See, it's in, it's blinking. Woo, dreads in the way. Now that's plugged in, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Let's open my phone up, and you're gonna go to the, make sure you guys can see that. You're gonna open up, you guys are gonna go to the PowerLink icon right there. You can find it on your Apple store, or however, I don't think there is one on what's this thing yet for Androids. But overall, as you see, it's plugged in, it's identifying my TCU, getting the latest flashes, and it's doing its whole thing from there. Okay, device is connected. With this app, you can see everything you ever wanted to see. It's basically just like a app full of gauges and whatnot. You have your boost SP, M-bar, intake air temp, ignition advance. And you can change it with multiple things if you just hold on to it as well, you know, scroll through and whatnot. But that's not what we're here for. We are going to the tune. You click tune at the bottom, it tells you how to do it. Your phone battery is 20% or more. Phone must be at least 6 feet or less, and whatnot. You connect it, and as you guys see, mine is on the stage 2 93 octane with the TCU. Fun fact, if you have a 2012, this is weird, but I don't know why it's like this. I've heard from other 2012 B8 S4 owners, launch control does not work on this at all. It actually throws your car in limp mode, and it happened to me. I wish I had a video of it, but it threw my car in limp mode. Like, for some reason, like, it just, the launch thing with the TCU, it just doesn't work. Like, mines cannot launch for some reason. I don't know why. And you guys that have like a 2012 B8 S4, you know, chime in, let me know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. But yeah, every time I've done it, it goes straight like that. But yeah. And it says, if you touch the bottom, you must complete each item of the checklist before you can proceed. It says, please turn your ignition on, like that. It says, phone must remain 6 feet, check. Connect the battery charger to your car's battery, 10 amps or higher. This will ensure the flash does not corrupt. All right, we're just gonna say this for now. I'm just trying to walk you guys through it. Hood must remain open while installing. OBD, connect this, connect to the car. And then ignition, please turn your ignition to on position. If you have a push button start, do not start. Okay, so you know we're gonna shutter. We'll put her on the power mode. And we'll close that because that noise is annoying. Once we're done all that, you can continue, and it loads the tune files. So you guys see stock, stage 1, stage 2, stage 2 crackle, double pulley crackle, double pulley throttle crackle, launch control, and everything like that. I'm on the stage 2. The stage 2 file, I'm on our 93 octane IE file for this, so that's what I have on. So basically, you click this. Once you're done, you click your tune, and then you hit flash, and then you let it do its thing. Once you're done, it's done doing its download and everything, your car is now flashed to whatever file you picked it, and that is how you use this dongle. This is good for like on-the-go tuning. Like if you guys want to, like, say some areas don't have like 93 octane, where it is some places that don't have that. They don't have 93 octane, they don't have 91. You know, you can change it on the fly so your car doesn't like mess up anything like that. Also, while I have it too, there's a transmission tune too. You see you have the stock one, and then you have the 72 RPM shifts. Mine's are at 3400. And then you have the 7350 RPM shifts, 4,000 RPM launch control, fuel cut. You know, these are all different ones you can get. You can add credits as well on buying these tunes, because you know, you might want a different tune or anything like that, or you might upgrade it. You might got like a double pulley setup or anything like that. But yeah, that's how this works. You guys have any questions that I didn't go over in this video, please hit the comment button and we can go from there. We'll comment, you know, let me know. Maybe I did something wrong, you never know. Just, you know, talk to me, guys, talk to me. But yeah, I'll see you guys again in another video of me actually driving with the Stage 2 93 octane tune. I'll see you guys.